What's going on, everybody? Infinity Drill here today, and we are drilling into a game called Borderlands 3. Now, I'm a big fan of Borderlands 2. I really enjoyed it, played the hell out of it, but I've also heard some things about Borderlands 3, which is kind of why I was always skeptical about getting into it, but I figured it'd be a good chance for us to get into it together. If you haven't played it yourself, well, you'll be here with me, testing it all out, trying it all out, and seeing if it's worth it. Otherwise, I know it is free on Epic Games once in a while. That's how I got it. So, I mean, worst case scenario, you can get it for free. And be sure to hit that gong and hit the notifications, and let's get started. I've done the tutorial so far. It was pretty basic. I mean, it wasn't like Borderlands 2, I should say. It didn't stick out to me. It was very simple. Kind of just boring, almost. But now we're into the combat. I got a shotgun. One shot, one kill though, unfortunately, on it. I do have a friend joining me today. This is Wisp, and they're going to be my partner. But this is the first mission, find Sun Smasher Chief, out of like the tutorial area. I would consider this the area just because it's like the initial kind of spawn point. No vehicle yet, so I think we just gotta hoof it, but nothing bad about that.
I'd like to know who I'm working with. What made you decide to be a vault hunter?
Here we go.
So far the combat seems pretty good. The skill trees obviously are a little different because of the different characters, but they're pretty much, they remind me exactly of Borderlands 2, just the way they're laid out and structured. Ouch.
What?
No
That's
one leaves. You don't want any witnesses. This has got a shield. There's four characters. The one I chose for special is a mech. The one that my partner is using has that companion that's fighting with the drill, and then I believe he has two other companions you can summon through his skill tree. Mine just changes the weapon equipment on the mech, so it's like a grenade launcher, railgun, and then a minigun. Of course, I'm full on ammo.
Where did that come
Then
from?
you have the Siren, which I didn't get to look at her skills yet. I'm gonna assume it's kind of like the other Sirens in the other games. And then you have a kind of combat specialist. Apparently his special is going invisible and kind of being the ghost on the field. I was kind of torn between him and this one because I always used the Hitman in Borderlands 2. The assassin, or Zero, that's his name. Some more skags.
And be reborn to the hunt.
There are two game modes. There's cooperative and then cooperative. Cooperative allows you to basically you can like pour loot, you know, from your teammate. But I would imagine it would drop better loot, you know, if you're sharing and being a good teammate. Otherwise, the loot is universal for each player if you choose the cooperative, which I think is pretty cool.
Now, get it, spy.
already we got a badass on the field.
Fine by me.
I do have it on normal. The other mode is easy. I don't know if there's a hard mode. You might unlock that for new game, but
Come on, pick it up. Hope you don't mind handling visitor. A meager life.
not gonna lie, I thought the pet was a regular skag.
Ah, very good. Bring it back to the machine. And be quick about it.
But I want a human spine. Hey, there's Ellie's garage. Wonder if we can get a car. I'm guessing she's not here yet. We probably gotta go through a mission to get a vehicle for her. Some ammo though. So the premise is we are on on Pandora again. We're from another world though. Apparently they found maps across like different planets that lead to different vaults, and that's the whole premise. Is we're kind of back on Pandora helping the Crimson Raiders out. So far the loot hasn't been too great. I mean, I know it's the beginning, but usually loot's popping out of everything.
Wasted and pasted.
And apologies if you hear any snoring in the background. My dog is right next to me and he likes to snore every time I'm trying to record. He's a pain, but I love him. I guess I should switch my quest over. We need to find the Sun Smasher Chief. Get some skills real quick. Show you the skill tree. So these are the different skill trees, and then whichever one you equip changes the equipment on the mag.
Moving on in.
Might as well show you what the mech is like.
Still standing.
Like I said, the one I have is the grenade launcher and the railgun.
Another one on the board.
Ah, you found a human spy. You fit right in on Pandora. Give it a try.
You're done. Oh look, dead meat.
Can't help it, just get aggressive with these kind of games. I like getting in their face. Probably explains why I die so much, but you know, I mean, you gotta have fun. It's the point of the game, right? Blap. I mean, I am an animal. You say that like I should be insulted.
You're gonna regret coming
No, you're gonna regret coming here and joining the cult. So that's what we're doing right now, is we're here trying to, excuse you, get rid of this cult that basically unite all the bandits on Pandora. So we're here trying to start the riot against them, or revolution, whatever you want to call it, genocide, I don't know.
Oh, sir.
Here's a little loot. A loot goblin. Beat him down. Beat him down. That's what I'm talking about.
Another one down.
We'll have to split the loot later. Just pick up what you can, I guess. Okay, I think the rest is ammo. There's a box here for some more ammo. Ammo out the wazoo. What the? Oh, that's the pet going nuts. If I wouldn't miss, that would be great.
Die for the Calypso!
Loot. So much loot. All the loot.
Cover!
It's all ammo, but you know, whatever. Oops. I don't know how those teleporting grenades are supposed to work. It's supposed to shoot across and like teleport to them, but
I'll show
so
you the
far.
power of the twin gun! Many will fall away!
sorry I'm not talking so much, but combat's actually been pretty intensive. Doesn't help I'm missing everything. There we go. Come on, come on. Oof. At least we get to see what happens when you're down.
Your hunt is not yet over.
Understood.
So it's a lot like Borderlands 2, you got your second win. Get some health. She is having fun. Way too much fun.
Shoot up.
Bye. Bye, Felicia.
When did you eat?
Come on. I do wish they had a dodge button for all characters, like a basic dodge.
Hello? Somebody help me! I would prefer not to die like this. I would get you down if you were in trouble.
Where? I don't see anybody, but you know, whatever. We can get them later.
Guys, this is
Oh, nice. Looking real tasty. lick the butter right off him.
Shoot me down, will ya? I like to hang, but not like this. Not like this!
Not like this. Flies are free protein. I mean,
Whoa, hey, yeah. Feet work good. Nice to meet you. Hey,
titties.
thanks. If you hadn't come along, I might be dead. So,
Honestly, I
what are
might
you
have to
doing
blur
here?
that. The pecs
Mission
are
for the Crimson
immaculate.
Riders. Kinda top secret. Direct orders from Lilith. Might have to kill you.
You're with the Firehawk? Oh man, I used to run with Lilith back in the day. But, now I'm a bandit ward chief. Go Sun Smashers. I mean, at least I used to be a ward chief. Until, the clan found that stupid alien junk. I warned them not to mess with that crap. But what do? They tie me up and they take it to the Calypso twins. Not cool, bro. Well, we should probably get out of here before the CO.
I'm a lady. Thank you very much.
So, where are Lilith and the Raiders hanging these days?
Former COV propaganda center. Emphasis on former.
Now we're talking. Come on, let's get out of here. I'll lead the way, even though I'm totally unarmed. Can't let them know you're afraid and totally defenseless, bro. Bandit life! So, you took over that COV propaganda center all by your little self?
You know it, Tidy Whitey.
I am impressed.
I guess now would be a time to switch some weapons around. Try some different stuff out. Let's do that. And do that. See how that works. Don't know how I feel about that grenade either. Yeah, teleport to their destination, but I never see it. Of course, that's all I got. Alright.
Oh man, the children of the vault totally trashed my camp! Like, that is not where that bloody skull should be! It is completely ruining the vibe! Oh, I know a shortcut! This way!
I know where some loot's at. This way. God, he walks slow. Come on. Run, hobo, run. Dance. Come on. Do it. Do it now.
Clear! Nice! Let's go meet up with the Firehawk. Those Calypsos won't stop until every bandit on Pandora worships them like gods. I mean, bandits don't need gods. We worship a hot fire and a
Pet
charred
the
piece
pet.
of meat. There are rules.
I'm such a goody.
Rudlings.
I'm sure Lilith will be glad to see me. We're tight, bro. Super tight. Like, bro tight. It's a thing.
You mean bright? Bro tight? Bright? A little bit of bromance?
Trouble. I can feel it in my bones. Or maybe that's just the harsh desert wind on my bare sun-dappled chest.
And maybe you're a britch.
Oh, sweet digs. Fortified, well ventilated. Throw some bloody skulls up on the walls. You got yourself a nice, cozy place here, friend.
Vaughn? What the hell are
Turn
you
your
doing
skull into
here?
a cup.
Hey, a Lilith! Former war chief of the Sun Smashers, reporting for duty! Go Crimson Raiders!
It's good to see you, Vaughn. The Raiders will take all the help we can get. So, Vault Hunter, did you find the map?
Didn't find the map, so I brought a bandit instead.
Map? If you're talking about that alien junk, my clan is bringing it to the Calypso twins as an offering. They're heading to the Holy Broadcast Center. It's where the Calypsos host murder sermons to amp up their followers.
Can't let the Calypsos get that map. The Holy Broadcast Center is a long ride. Vault Hunter, you're gonna need some wheels. My friend Ellie runs the catch-a-ride. Go introduce yourself and she'll hook you up.
Look at that.
Come on back the next time you die.
We can go get a ride. I don't know how I feel about it pushing my reticle up every time I slide.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Okay, same page. You know what this called?
Now remind me, what'd you say you was gonna do to my gal pal Lil?
God Queen Tyreen will drink soup from the skull of the great heretic!
My bad, finger slipped.
Nice.
Oh, howdy! Didn't see you there.
I miss Ellie. She's a hoot. What you doing, Ellie?
I heard y'all were in the neighborhood. Good to see old Lil found some new blood. I'm Ellie. Hey, what are you staring at, hun?
Damn, you're sturdy. It'd take an army to knock you down.
Ain't you a heartbreaker? Lil said you was looking for a vehicle. Damn cultist stole all mine. Mind stealing me one back? Then I'll set you up with a catch-a-ride. And thanks for coming by.
Such a sweetheart. Alright, hijack a vehicle. You never do the main mission, you always do the bonus objective mission.
Come get some!
My chili recipe! Die with me! Get to the police!
Bring it on, mate! Stay right there! Destroy the interloper!
I mean, if that's what you want.
Try hijacking a vehicle. Ain't nothing to it. Just run up to one and kindly tell the driver to skedaddle.
Now! Perishable by design! Get eyes of death!
Crazy heretic!
I become chaos!
Coming! Great bolt!
See if we can get to the car. I want to search more loot, but the faster we get a vehicle, the better. Yeah, at least something explodes.
Another shall be revealed! Ouch!
Your border calypsos I gladly shatter!
Baby case to the arms of Tyreen!
Not gonna lie, I like the new midgets.
Skills beyond count.
Or badasses, or whatever. I don't know what the terminology is now.
It's time to fight.
Ooh. Are we not supposed to destroy it? How do we hijack it? Oh, there we go.
What I've been waiting for!
You can get him back, partner?
Stop the meat!
boost already.
Recruit, you're near a dead claptrap unit. Those are all over. I'm the last of my product line. I need you to salvage their parts so I can build a new friend.
I'd say I'm surprised with a claptrap.
Stop! They could protect me! Welcome back,
I see. Partner wanted their own. Alright. Nice.
hit!
And I missed the jump. Ooh. I know what I'm doing, I promise.
Just park your car there, hun. All right, now register with a catch a ride so you can digistruct a new one whenever you want. Just in case you get a Pandora flat, meaning your car explodes.
Recognize new and improved Catch a Ride Station where all your vehicle needs. Use a Catch a Ride Station to deploy a vehicle or to customize the vehicle's weapons, and I'm getting attacked. We are gonna skip then. Ouch.
Pick the wrong fight.
Ooh. I wonder if you can customize more now. Looks like it. You didn't even upgrade the engine.
Catch a Ride's got the finest chassis and crate.
Not gonna lie. Feels pretty nice. Like it sounds like a car and everything. I like the noise the exhaust makes to when you boost.
Yo, Vault Hunter. So that road will take you right to the Holy Broadcast Center. Watch out for
As
those
I'm climbing
twin
up a
gods.
wall.
From what I hear, Tyreen Calypso's the star of the show. Her brother Troy runs the cult's propaganda. P.S. They both suck. Just saying.
Not gonna lie, it seems like a pretty cool game. I'd like to get more into it. So far, it seems pretty decent. I mean, it reminds me a lot of Borderlands 2. I see a lot of that there. I guess we'll have to wait and see and find out. But then again, I also got it free on Epic Games, which it does become available every once in a while. I don't know that much. You can always check it out for yourself, see what you think. If you liked what you saw today, be sure to hit the gong and the notifications. Otherwise, like I said, the game is available on Epic Games. It might be available on Steam and other platforms as well. Be sure to check. But I will see you in the next one. Deuces.